सो गाइस आज हम आपको लेकर आए हैं द गोल्डन डस्ट रिजॉर्ट जो कि ठेला जिम कॉर्बेट में बेस्ड है। सो आइए हम आपको इसका टूर कराते हैं। हमारे साथ हैं हिमांशु जी। ये हमें रिजॉर्ट का टूर कराएंगे और इसकी क्वालिटी, इसकी सिनेरी, इसकी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ के बारे में बताएंगे। सो लेट्स
Good
स्टार्ट।
afternoon, Himanshu myself. Please welcome to the Golden Fest Resort.
Thank you.
Please, ma'am. So, ma'am, 68 rooms we do have total.
So this is the villa category they have, which is having a double bedroom and a sit-out area. So this is the spacious room. I think a family of 2+2 can easily accommodate and relax in this beautiful villa. And here is the washroom. Quite spacious. They're having all toiletries and needed things. A separate breathing area. हिमांशु जी, हमें इस विला कैटेगरी के बारे में बताइए कि ये
Right, ma'am. So this is the pool view suites category. 14 we do have in total in number in count, along with this pool, attached pool. This comes from the fourth category from the basic,
ओके।
right?
सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ द 14 रूम ब्लॉक्स हैं, जिसमें अगर किसी को सेपरेट अपनी लाइक गेट टुगेदर करनी है, जो हैव
A small party.
small
pool
party, it's a separate pool. They have two pools, a common and a separate pool with these pool view suite room. Thank you. So these are the interior look of the pool view suite room, which have a sofa cum bed and a double bed, and they have two balconies, a front one which we have entered and a back side where you can like enjoy smoking or anything you want to do. So this is the separate balcony here at the backyard, and it's a forest view. And this is the washroom. Quite spacious. And this is the same category room which comes in the first floor of the pool view suite room. And here is the view of the balcony, as you can see. We have the pool view from the balcony. This is the balcony. This is the balcony from where you can see the pool side and enjoy beautiful chirping of birds and nature. Now we are heading towards the next category, which is the tiger suite room. So let's see how it is. So tiger suite is a room category which have two separate rooms with two separate washrooms, like a family of 4 adults who wants to be separate but in a same area. So this room category is perfect for them. So this is the first room with a separate washroom. So this is the another washroom, which are having a quite space and a very beautiful bathtub in a big size. So same room with washroom and a washroom with attached bathtub. So this is basically the category called the Corbett Suite, which is quite spacious from in comparison to other room categories, because It has a big space balcony where you can sit out, enjoy your vacation like this. We have a separate area which is quite spacious. As you can see in this, the Corbett Suite has a very beautiful balcony. So we are heading towards the next category, which is the Tusk room. Corbett Suite and Tusk room almost having two different kind of compatibility, which is of area of the room, and secondly it's a room plus living room and a balcony. Balcony is as same as in the Corbett Suite. So this is the Tusk Suite. So this is the balcony, which is also quite spacious from the Corbett Suite. It is having a sit-out area plus having a swing. Like you can chill out and enjoy your thing. So we are entering to the Golden Flower Spa. Area where you can have your all the therapies. They will provide you the menu card. There are couple rooms and single rooms as well for all your therapies, massage, anything you want. You can enjoy at the Golden Flower Spa of the Golden Festival. This is the couple spa room where twin spa stands are there. Jungle Grill restaurant, which is open restaurant here, and you can enjoy all your grill items here in the Jungle Grill area. That's it. So this is the open Jungle Grill area, which gives you a seasonal river view as well. It's a monsoon, basically it's a monsoon river area. Golden Dust is not a riverside property, but it has a river in the backyard in the monsoon only. So you can enjoy the weather in the monsoon and in any of the season. And this Jungle Grill is perfect for the couples, families, or anything who wants to grill in the beautiful place. Now we are having a refreshment. We ordered a pizza. And Golden Dust Resort is also very famous for its cuisines, whether it's Pahadi cuisine, continental, Indian, Chinese, everything. The food is very tasty. So these are the tent category rooms which are in Golden Dust Resort. They have two tents which are luxury tents, and right now they are occupied. We will show you the videos afterwards. So this is the tent. Jungle Spring Villa, which is newly developed here in Golden Dust Resort. And the best part is it's a complete villa, which is very comfortable for the family, couples. And the best part is, which we are going to show you right away, is that a beautiful view of the jacuzzi. Very spacious, big in size, and at the outside open area of the villa. Washroom of the Jungle Spring Villa, which is two side open from the jacuzzi side also and from the room side also. So now we are heading towards the highest room category of the Golden Dust Resort, which named the Waterhole Villa, and let's see the difference and the beauty and like which we need. A family needs everything in a villa, which is comfortable yet the beautiful. And let's see how it is. I don't have words right away like how to express that room category, but I want to show you. So this is the Waterhole Villa. So this is the highest category room of the Golden Dust Resort. This is Waterhole Villa with a comfortable bedding and beautiful view, all the amenities, and a very beautiful sit-out area, as you can see here. Like you can sit, play, eat, sleep, anything you can do here. This is the area. And the best part of this room, let's see. This is the plunge pool, which comes with the beautiful view and an open area. I just want to go in this. So this is the private pool. Also, the best part is that this room is having a jacuzzi also. So it's 2-in-1 for your family, for your partner. This is the washroom, which is connecting to the both side, from the room side and from the jacuzzi and private pool side. So they have multiple garden areas where you can enjoy, walk, or feel the nature. So we are now going to the next upper category, which is from the base, say upper category hoti hai, that is called the nature view. You can see that there is a very beautiful ponds area, a beautiful nature which they have created, and it's quite soothing. This area is like more connected to the nature, giving you the best feeling of nature and the greenery. So this is the nature view suite room. It's more connected to nature from the outside and from inside as well. All the room categories in jungle, at the middle of the jungle in Golden Touch Resorts are different from each other. As you can see the interior of all the rooms. This is the washroom and the bathing area.